Hi, I'd like to show how to use a shorter whip, but a little bit different purpose. So, for example, for him to study and for me to study. So this small one here is very good for sharp pain. So for martial art aspect, if he's a little bit tense in the arm, be tense. See a little bit sharp pain. He has to study how to breathe with this different type of pain. It's like if someone hits you, like very sharp. It's the same type of hit surface. So he develops the ability to say to breathe with that type of short pain, right? And also it's also good to relax the muscles a little bit differently. It's a little different feeling, different pain. So again, this could be a sharp kick. See a little sharp pain comes, he studies how to breathe with this pain. And at the same time, I start to remove tension from these muscles. See? I touch, sharp pain comes, and he studies to breathe. That could be a sharp kick when people hit surface. Okay, so now here's another application of these massage tools. So again, just for a healing aspect, for relaxation. So again, the short one, again, I start to learn, I can hit more for close to the joints. See a little bit shoulders, I start to a little bit do tapping movement around the joints. See a little bit of tension here. So with this, I start to a little bit do light tapping. And again, he studies to constantly breathe. So he helps me as well. So around the joints, see around the elbow there a little bit. See, because it's a little bit less, it's not so heavy. So this is good for around the joints. See, especially if people have knee tension here, a little bit like that type of work. Very light tapping.